Module 5, Creating a Standout Cover Letter. You have spent a great deal of your time learning how to create an impactful resume. It's now time to learn how to create a standout cover letter, which is known as the resume's best friend. Why you should not skip the cover letter. Many people omit the cover letter, probably because some recruiters have said that they don't read them. But that's a missed opportunity on both sides. A strong cover letter allows you to add context, especially when your resume doesn't tell the whole story. And the recruiter gets to know a little bit more about you. Do you have employment gaps? The cover letter is the ideal place to address the gap. Use it to turn that gap into a story of growth, resilience, or skill building, whether you were caregiving, traveling, studying, or volunteering. Show that you have done your homework. Your resume lists qualifications, but your cover letter builds a connection. Research the company's mission, values, and current projects. Then weave those insights into your letter to demonstrate alignment. Make it personal and purposeful. Mentioning specifics about the company shows that you're not just applying randomly, you're genuinely invested and you took the time to learn about them. That kind of thoughtfulness helps your application rise to the top. How to structure the cover letter. The cover letter is known as your resume's best friend, as mentioned earlier. Many people skip them, but a well-written cover letter can absolutely make a difference. Think of it as your opportunity to go beyond the resume's bulleted points and tell the deeper story of your career journey, your passion, and why you belong at that company. Your cover letter should ideally be 1 page in length, made up of 4 paragraphs. The hook. Start with a compelling opening that grabs attention and makes the reader want to keep going. Value. Communicate what you bring to the table, your strengths, accomplishments, and your potential, and how your experience meets the company's needs. Fit. Show why you're the right person for this role and how your values and experience align with the company's culture and goals. Call to action. This is a chance to reiterate your interest in the role and how you plan to make a difference. End with a confident invitation for next steps, such as requesting an interview or suggesting that you will follow up. Now it's time for you to download the sample cover letter that shows how the hook, value, fit, and call to action have been incorporated into it.